Merong New Year promo ang CIMB where you can earn up to 15% per annum ngayong January. Promo runs until January 31st. All your balances sa yung CIMB UpSave or GSave account ngayong January will earn 3.5% per annum interest. And then you can get additional 1% per annum pag nagdagdag ka ng 1,000 pesos sa yung average daily balance. And then you can earn additional 2.5% per annum by growing your total ADB by at least 5,000 pesos. Then makakakuha ka ulit ng additional 3.5% per annum if you grow your total average daily balance by at least 10,000 pesos. Plus additional 4.5% if you grow your total ADB by at least 50,000 pesos. Kaya kung nag-deposit ka ng 50,000 pesos and above ngayong January, makukuha mo ang full promo rate na 15% per annum sa iyong ADB growth. This is how to compute for January interest. Net interest equals ADB times time period times interest rate less 20% withholding tax. Ang time period ay ang total number of eligible days for the month divided by 360 days. For example, may balance ka na 200,000 pesos sa iyong CIMB UpSave or GSave account ng January. Ang net interest equals 200,000 times time period na 31 days divided by 360 times 3.5% interest less 20% tax. So, ang net interest equals 482.22 pesos. And then, halimbawa, nag-deposit ka ng 100,000 pesos sa January 15. So, ang net interest equals 100,000 times time period na 17 days divided by 360 times 15% na interest times 0.8 equals 566.67 pesos. Yung ADB growth mo from December to January ang makakakuha ng full promo rate na 15%.